Hello! Today we're going to be plugging a tubeless tyre. So a tyre plug kit generally comes with three tools. The first one is your screw to bore and clean the hole, the second one is your insertion tool, and your third is the plug. Now you will also need a razor, and I recommend a pair of pliers too. Now, if there's a nail in your tyre and it's not leaking, it's probably best to leave it in there until you can get to a garage and fix it. So, moving on, after you've located the puncture, you're going to screw in the reaming tool and clean the hole by moving it in and out. Once the puncture has been bored clean, you can now thread your plug through the tyre insertion tool and proceed to plug your tyre, but please note it does take some force. After that, you're going to cut off any excess, and that will stop it scraping on the road and coming back out. Finally, you can use a CO2 cartridge to re-inflate your tyre. Job done. Thanks for watching.